If you've been wanting to learn Google AI Studio, this is the video. Google AI Studio is one of the most underrated AI tools out there, and yet it basically does everything. It lets you generate product images, edit photos, create high-quality videos with sound, talk to Gemini Live while it looks at your actual computer screen, and vibe code to build apps, games, or even websites, all in your browser, without a single line of code. We're going to show you the full updated layout, how to get your API key set up, and 6 real e-commerce examples you can use today and generate some real income. Let's get into it. Head to AIstudiogoogle.com and sign in with your Google account. First time here? Good. You're about to wonder why you waited. The left sidebar is your home base. You've got 4 sections: Playground, Build, Dashboard, and Documentation. For everything we're doing today, you'll be living in Playground and Build. Click Playground. This is where it gets interesting. Playground doesn't open to a blank chat anymore. It greets you with cards. Each card is a different mode, and they're organized around what you're actually trying to do. Featured. Current top picks by Google AI Studio. Code, reasoning, and chat for prompting, analysis, and writing. Image generation for creating and editing product visuals. Video generation for VO-powered product videos. Text-to-speech for voiceovers and audio. Real-time for live voice, webcam, and screen sharing sessions.
This is a pre-workout drink.
Before we build anything, there's one thing you need to do first. Grab your API key. This is the step most tutorials skip over. Bottom left of the sidebar, click Get API Key. Then click Create API Key. If your screen shows nothing and tells you it can't find any keys, click Import Projects first. Select a project from the drop-down, then come back and create the key. One important thing: treat this key like a password. It controls your AI usage and your billing. Don't screenshot it, don't paste it into a public doc, and definitely don't hard-code it into a website. Alright, you're set up. Now let's actually make something. Here's a real problem most e-commerce stores have: product visuals that look fine but don't convert. The product is good, the photo is technically acceptable, but it doesn't make someone stop scrolling and it doesn't make them feel anything. Google AI Studio can help you fix that. Fast. Go back to Playground and click Image Generation. You'll see a model selector at the top. There are a few options including Nano Banana, Nano Banana Pro, and Nano Banana 2. This is how to choose your model. Use Nano Banana for free, basic experimentation. For professional results, switch to the paid Nano Banana 2 for your daily high-speed iterations, and only use Nano Banana Pro for high-stakes assets like homepage banners by selecting Redo with Pro. Let's generate a homepage header for your Shopify website. For example, use this prompt. Generate a photorealistic 16:9 website header image for a premium skincare brand. Minimalist flat lay. 3 amber glass serum bottles arranged on white marble. Single fresh botanicals beside each bottle. Soft natural side lighting. Editorial beauty campaign aesthetic. Click Run and watch what comes back. That's the kind of image that used to cost a half-day shoot and a licensing fee. You just got it in 10 seconds. Now let's do something even more useful. Editing a photo you already have. Upload a product photo. It could be anything. A hoodie with a competitor's tag still visible, a candle with a smudge on the label, a bag photographed on the wrong background. Upload it, then paste this. Replace the background with a clean, warm-toned linen surface. Keep the product lighting and shadows exactly as they are. Make it look like a high-end lifestyle shoot. Click Run. The goal here isn't to replace your photographer. It's to stop waiting on a designer every time you need a small asset turned around. Every time you start a new chat, you're starting from zero. The AI doesn't know your brand, your tone, what you sell, or who you're selling to, and that means every output needs editing before it sounds like you. System instructions fix that. They're a permanent briefing that runs before every prompt, so you only have to write your brand voice once. To set it up, head to Playground, Code, Reasoning, and Chat. On the right side, open Run Settings, then click System Instructions. Paste in your brand voice rules. Here's an example of what this looks like for a premium leather goods store. Don't forget to give it a title. Press X when done. The instruction saves automatically. Now test it. Notice the tone. It's not trying to impress anyone. It's just specific, confident, and on-brand. That's the difference between product copy that feels like it came from a human who cares, and copy that feels like it was auto-generated at scale. Now here's a move that's genuinely underused. Keep that same chat open, click Tools in the bottom right, and turn on grounding with Google Search. You'll see it appear as a chip. Paste in a competitor's product page URL and ask, "Analyze this product page. Tell me what it's doing well from a conversion standpoint, what's weak, and give me a prioritized list of 3 specific changes I could make to my own product pages based on what you see." This isn't guessing at what might work. It's pulling real data from a live page and turning it into a ranked action list. That's a meaningful advantage. If you are learning with us, make sure you're subscribed to Learn with Shopify. We drop new tutorials every week, and subscribing is the best way to get more like this and help us keep making them. This is the part that still feels a little unreal, even after using it 100 times. Go back to Playground and click Real Time. You'll see 3 modes: Talk, Webcam, and Share Screen. Share Screen is the one that's going to change how you work. Click it and choose the Browser tab with your store or product page open. Once it's sharing, just start talking. Try this. Look at this product page. You're a conversion rate expert who's brutally honest. Tell me the 3 biggest reasons a first-time visitor would hesitate to buy. Then tell me which one to fix first and exactly what to change. You can talk, or you can type. Up to you. You can have a real-time conversation with an AI that's looking at the same screen you're looking at.
The $7 price is meaningless without context. Is that per bottle, per serving, or something else? This confusion directly impacts the perceived value.
This is useful beyond product pages too. Use it to get live feedback on a landing page before you launch it. Use it to learn a new piece of software by talking through what you're seeing. Use it during a store audit when you want a second opinion on something specific. The limiting factor isn't the tool, it's whether you're willing to actually ask it hard questions. This one is for everyone who's ever said, "I wish there was a tool that just did this one specific thing." There is now. You're going to build it. Click Build in the left sidebar. By default, you're in the sub-tab Start. In the prompt box, describe the tool you want. For this example, we are adding a prompt for a new app called VibeSpace that is an e-commerce feed that changes its product curation and UI color scheme based on your current mood, detected via voice or facial biometrics. Click Build. What comes back is a working V1 of your app. From there, just prompt it to make changes until you're happy with the result. That's the whole idea. Describe it, build it, iterate on it in plain language. You're not becoming a developer. You're building tools that solve your specific problems faster than waiting for someone else to build them. Last one, and it might be the most impressive. Go back to Playground and click Video Generation. You'll see 3 model options: VO 3.1, VO 3.1 Fast, and VO 2. These are paid features, so you'll need a billing setup to run them. VO 3.1 Fast is the move when you want a quick result. VO 3.1 is for when the video is actually going in front of customers. For this example, we will add in a detailed prompt about a new and futuristic improved Pilates kit for women. That's product video content. No studio, no crew, no production timeline. If you're running paid ads, this changes your creative output volume entirely. You can adjust the video resolution on the right. Just keep in mind that higher resolution means higher cost and longer wait times. Here's what that looks like in practice. 720p versus 4K, side by side. 720p is great for quick, inexpensive concepting. Once you've got a result you're happy with, switch to 4K for the final output. Now, you might be wondering, can't you just do this inside Google Gemini with VO? You can, but here's where it gets interesting. We ran the exact same prompt in both tools so you can see the difference for yourself. This is the result from Google Gemini. And again, this is the result from Google AI Studio. Same prompt, 2 different outputs. You can decide which one works better for what you're making. Here's what you just built the skills for: navigating AI Studio's full layout, setting up your API key properly, generating and editing product visuals, locking in a brand voice that holds across every output, getting live feedback on your store in real time.
I see 3 major hesitation points.
Building a custom tool without writing code, and generating product video from a single text prompt. If this was useful, subscribe to Learn with Shopify. We publish e-commerce tutorials every week. And there's a Shopify free trial link in the description if you're just getting started in making money with e-commerce. And if you want to keep learning, we've picked the best videos for you on screen right now. Go ahead and choose what you want to explore next.